Hi guys, Super Saturday to you. Today is Saturday the 3rd of February 2018, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Powerlead system. It's super exciting because I recently started the Powerlead system, I would say about 2 weeks ago, and I got a commission. I was pretty surprised. Okay, what is the Powerlead system? Well, the Powerlead system is Lead Lightning and Powerlead system basically is a platform that enables you to earn commissions. You can either get multiple $6 commissions or $15 commissions if you're a silver member, or you can get multiple $20 commissions if you're a gold member like I am right now. So basically what you do is this. If you are with Lead Lightning, when you first start off, you really start off with Lead Lightning, and you get 2 links to promote. And if you don't have another business to promote, you can simply promote the Lead Lightning system, right? So that enables you to promote the system, and anytime someone signs up on your link, right, you get multiple $6 commissions every time you make a $7 sale. So for instance here, if you're not promoting any other business, you can sign up and promote link A, right? As you can see here, referral link A. But if you're like me and you're promoting another business, because most of you know I'm promoting Best Easy Work, you can, whatever business you're promoting. In my case, I'm promoting Best Easy Work. I decided to use the Powerlead system to promote Best Easy Work. So I'm actually promoting referral link B, right? So when I click on referral link B, I will be taken to my link to promote, and my link to promote is right here, myspringlist.com, myspringlist.com/696898. So what I did 2 weeks ago was I started promoting my link. The thing is, I didn't do much work. I just promoted in the Facebook Work at Home groups, and lo and behold, I got a $6 commission. I think I started on the 20th of January promoting this link, and I got a $6 commission because someone purchased, made a $7 purchase, and I got that $6 commission. So I was really surprised. And I did not spend very long promoting it. So I said, since I made that $6 commission, when I click here on account, as you can see here, we go here, click on account, and I click on commissions earned. It's gonna take me to, let me see if I can click again. So account, and I click on my money. Oh, right, so here it is. So I'm scrolling down, and as you can see, Lead Lightning $7 buyers, I earned a $6 commission, and this $6 commission was actually made on Sunday the 21st of January, right? So I made that $6 commission because someone purchased the Lead Lightning system for $7, and I earned that $6 commission. So I was super excited about that, and I really did not do much to promote the system. So when I realized the potential of this, I said, you know what, I'm going to upgrade. And I decided not to do the silver membership, which is $29.97. I decided to go straight to the gold membership, which is $53.97 per month. So right now I am at that gold level membership. So pretty happy about that. Just want to keep on promoting, and you know, I'm going to keep on promoting my link to get those commissions coming in, because I've really just started. I really started taking this business seriously about I would say 2 weeks now, and I'm definitely going to keep on promoting. So if you want to sign up on my link, definitely you sign up on my link, which is in the description below. It is myspringlist.com/696898, and then you can go make your purchase to whatever level you're comfortable with, really. And in addition to you know, my promotion, in fact, to help me with my promotion, I decided to join the Facebook group. It's a Facebook group called Freedom Takers, and Freedom Takers is definitely going to, you know, help me get additional training and support. So definitely I joined this Facebook group only yesterday, so it's right here, and that's it basically. I will definitely get back and make some more videos, let you know how Lead Lightning Power Lead system is going, and definitely keep you, you know, updated on what's happening with this. So guys, if you're interested in this system, definitely sign up. It's super easy, but you know, like any other business, you've got to be consistent. And I know I've just started, so I definitely have to do my training. As I said, if you want to get started, click on my link below. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye bye.